Three best and free apps for the AI avatar trend. Hello guys, and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So in this video I will show you the best three apps. You don't have to add any credit or debit card for this AI avatar trend. As you can see here, this is the result, and I will show you from where you can get it. It's absolutely free. You don't have to add any credit card details because it's 100% free. The first one is called PhotoLab Picture Editor and Art. You can get it from your Play Store. You just have to download the app, open it, which I will do right now, and then you can choose from here your effect. I will go with this one. This is the before and after. Scroll down, choose your photo, and here are the results. Now let me show you the second app, which is called Photo Editor Pro Polish. Just download the app and open it. It's completely free. We just have to click on this plus icon, choose your photo, go to effect from the bottom of the screen, go to AI cartoon, and then click on new profile. You just have to watch one video. After you've watched the ad, you just have to wait for it to process. And this is how it looks like. And now let's head to our third app, which is completely free. And this one is called PixArt Photo and Video Editor. Just open the app, click on the plus icon, choose one photo, go to effect, and then choose what effect you like. So guys, these are the best three apps for the AI avatar trends, which are completely free. You don't have to add any payment card details, nothing like that. You just have to download the app and it's completely free. So if you like this video, please make sure to comment in the comment section down below if you have any problems, and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible. You can also like this video if it was useful, and subscribe to the channel for more updates and for some more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.